Back with another video with the Chevy, man. Just went to Harbor Freight. Got a couple things. Show y'all real quick. Got a heat gun. I gotta get rid of the shrink wrap for these lights. I gotta put some new head sockets on them. The ones that are on there old, crumbling in my hand and everything. So I gotta put some new ones on there. Got some little funnels, nothing really major. Just some little funnels, just a little quick little update for y'all. The funnels, transmission fluid. Yeah, I got these for free. Screwdriver set, nothing major. Little screwdriver set to always have on you, have handy. Yeah, you can't be free though. But shit, this is just a little update for you. Let you know what I got going. Got to get these headlights back running. I already got the sockets up in the house. So I'm gonna make another video when I get ready to start to install those, get those on right and everything. But yeah, you can't beat this, man. Got this heat gun right here, $9. Can't beat it. $9.79 for some funnels. Screwdriver set free. Can't go wrong with Harbor Freight, man. So when you get a chance, man, you gotta go up there, catch on them sales, get stuff dirt cheap, get your job done. I'm gonna get back at y'all with another video.